Introducing the sleek and stylish 2022 Suzuki Sx4 1.4 Boosterjet Motion AT Door A in stunning grey. This hatchback is packed with incredible features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and more. With safety features including ABS, multiple airbags, and anti-collision system, you can drive with peace of mind. The luxurious interior boasts a load cover, luxury trim, and more. Plus, enjoy the convenience of remote boot release, power steering, and voice control. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specifications, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Call us now or visit windsor.ie for more information. Drive away in style with the 2022 Suzuki Sx4 today.